Mount Aspiring National Park sprawls across a vast area of the South Island's southern Alps. This immense park features rugged snow-capped peaks, pristine rivers, and ancient rainforests. While it's often considered one of Wanaka's stunning backyards and a natural gateway, this park is accessible from various points. However, a particularly scenic route is the drive from Wanaka through the park, traversing the dramatic Haast Pass. Along this winding road, you'll encounter some breathtaking waterfalls. The picturesque Fantail Falls and the powerful Thunder Creek Falls are unmissable stops.